everyone, welcome to Z's Cozy Corner, where creativity meets the conversations. I'm your host Z, and you are welcome. Before we dive into the conversations, ngicela ukunikhumbuza guys uba ningalibali ukushare, ukulike and do whatever uqondayo nobana ingakwazi ukusikhulisa. And to those abazenzayo ezo zinto ezo, we really appreciate guys. Keep on doing the right thing. Voila! Today, guys, in the Shali No DZ, all the way from Asantin. Right?
Yes, so I'm currently Asantin, but I'm originally from Eastern Cape.
Estex
Spread, Ipelandaba Ilali.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it was thank you for having me.
All right. Thank you for honoring the invite.
Appreciate it. It's an honor to be here. I'm not gonna lie. It took a while to get here, but thank God we finally made it here.
Yeah.
Because of the cool so.
Okay. Nathi sibulela wena. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right. Ngithe ungu Diz.
Yes, my name is Ty Dizzy.
Ty Dizzy.
Ty Dizzy Ty.
That's Ty Dizzy Ty.
Yeah, okay. Ty Dizzy Ty. That's the stage name. Igama lami lokonyane ndingu Athenkosi.
Okay. Athenkosi, Ty Dizzy Ty. And then zihlangana kuphi ke manje?
So isibongo sami ndingu Tai. So Athenkosi Tai.
Okay.
So I took that I took my surname and made it my stage name. But I just put Dizzy in the middle. But when you remove Dizzy, it's Tai.
Oh,
but,
okay.
Which is why it's Ty Dizzy Ty.
Yeah,
that's where it comes from. So I just made it like that.
Right. So. Interesting.
Yes, like that.
So, Ty Dizzy Ty, ubuya Eastern Cape Estex Spread, but ngoku uhlala Asantin ngokomsebenzi.
Yes.
Okay. So, ba usuka Eastern Cape usiza this side uze ngokuba uziswa into yomculo or uze uzofuna umsebenzi then wabona mawusolo upusha nomculo.
So actually I'm coming to Joburg, it was never a planned thing. I don't think I would have come to Joburg if utatomkhulu wami azange usolweke, because I was staying with utatomkhulu wami. I grew up Eastern Cape with utatomkhulu wami. So 2009, that's where we lost my granddad. My family had to come and relocate us up at Joburg because they were all staying this side. It was just us in Eastern Cape. Abahlala nomkhulu esikade omkhulu. RIP to my granddad. I wish he was here to see me, but I think he sees me out there. So so I came here in grade 8. Yeah, that was 2010. I came here to do grade 8. After that happened. So from there in Valley, that's when I got introduced to the music. That's where I go to school. I started doing gospel at school actually.
Okay.
I was singing gospel at school with my friend Untando Chilega. It was the two of us. He introduced me to gospel and I fell in love with it. Class periods sila weba spalingoma
as a gospel.
Mama Friday ke ngoku siya assembly sibaculela.
Oh no.
Yabo simi phambili sibaculela. Yabo, so it started like that until grade 11. I failed grade 11 and I was pasa. While grade 12, so I left behind, and so that we didn't have that much time anymore. So now I got introduced to rap, to hip hop, with the guys that I was with now on this class. So that's where the whole music started.
So you stop at the we assemble the mind.
I started stopping there because now imagine because I focused on
grade 12.
Grade 12 it was hectic and all that.
Yes.
Like we were still friends, we were still good. So that now I got introduced with hip hop, with doing freestyles at Lasini. That's where it all started.
Wow. Okay. Then the time benicula gospel. benicula ingoma esezikhona noba benizibhalela?
No, we were creating our own songs.
Oh, really?
We were
So
creating
zizo
our own
ezibenizperforma
songs.
kwi-assembly?
Yes.
Okay.
So which is why I said eklasini we will sit down and create instead of basibhale homework intoni class work
Busy ngengoma nina.
siyabhala siyacula ngusila webo. So yeah, that's where it all started actually. So besicula ingoma zethu besingacula ingoma zabanye abantu, even though we were motivated ngabanye abantu, especially uNtando bekithanda uLundi kahle kahle, so his voice sounded like uLundi.
Oh, the guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other guy. They got motivated by Ulundi. So when he sings like him. So yeah, it was a good combination. Now I'm getting feeling alto yam kanye ngetene. He was a leader. I was the guy who will
balance.
Yeah, don't balance.
Yeah. Okay. So we're back to emakhaya futhi. Like indaba yomusic uqale straight ukudibana nayo apha eJoburg noba ibikhona lanto emakhaya qha ungazazi ba mawuthini, like
not really ukuthi iqale apha siswami iqale vele back emakhaya.
Okay.
Because vele mina vele ndikhule I was a church going person. My grandfather was a church going person. He was the biggest man around.
Okay.
They knew him. He was a very powerful man. Ngendlela yakhe spiritually. So every day really it was a must for Tina siye ecaweni, because it was a three of us ngobhuti bami, mina ndingogqibela bendingogqibela ngelo xesha, because kumamama siyi-5 ngoku, so besihlala siyi-3 sikade ukhona. So qho ngecawe besingana choice bonyanzelekile uba siye ecaweni. Ngiyabona,
whether you like it or not,
kodwa ke mina bengathandi intshumayelo ntontoni ngicula pha, befuna nje ufike ndicule ngani ningene emoyeni sisawubela weyo ya ngoku ke yaqala apho nami I got angisayile izinto ezininzi, because ecaweni kuyashunyayela 1 hour yonke ubone uba
aculwa man apha chini,
kodwa ke benesithandile umculo from the start. So
okay.
Asibuya ke ecaweni umkhulu the way bengakhona, he will tell us uba leliphi ivesi belivuliwe pha ecaweni, so if thina siyaxoka uzayazi lona. I didn't know how, which is why I said he was that guy. He was powerful in his spirit. So yeah, very like we
wait, benihamba nisecaweni nimshiye endlini?
Besimshiye endlini.
Okay, why bekesala yena?
Bekesala because yena icawe yakhe it was eBotswana.
Okay, but
so he was a bishop.
Okay.
So he will go eBotswana ngamaxesha ePasika. Easter, that's where he's needed the most, that side.
I get you.
Yabo ke ngoku thina ke apha bekamane siye nje kula cawe beseko because iziyona cawe yesikole. Bekamane siye nje ngelo xesha kodwa bongayo into yakho ba ayeqhopha, because icawe yakhe yena originally was from eBotswana, because lapho waqala khona ukusebenza and he built ibandla lakhe kwelacala.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, then coming back to Joburg. Na qala ke waba introduced kwi hip hop.
Got introduced to hip hop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Grade 11. And then like uyaqhubeka ke indaba ye hip hop. Take us through.
Uyaqhubeka ke ngoku ndidibana nomjidi bathi nguThemba. Shout out to him, Timbani. I just hope he gets better, man, wherever he is. He was the guy really who motivated me. Yeah, he was that guy even as a cast. Bamas, but I feel out rapper was so I was that student kuye, because he was that biggest guy ekas uba akekho out rapper loud. So vele mina ndancathama kuyo ke yasindile beat laba yi1. I think I wrote about 10 songs ngela beat li1 saqala, because I wanted to create something different. Ngalo leli beat kodwa ndenze something different. So yaqala apho Timbani ulifundisa wenza into zakhe ke mina ndasiqhubeka ke siswami. Met nabanye abantu amajida, we created a gang. Think sayibiza crew, not a gang, a crew. Sayibiza IG gang, Iron Gang, uba strong ngalo ndlela leyo, uyabo. sabe 5 I think besi-5 so ndaqala ndedwa ndadibana nomjida sagqibela sisi-5 amajida afuna usijoyina yabo because i-movement bebayithanda and all that stuff. So yeah, senza kodwa along the way abanye baziphumela ngendlela zabo, so umuntu beke focus kwinto yakhe, was still doing what he was doing then, still doing it now. So abanye bezinto zabo ngoku, nami I'm still doing music. So yeah, siswami. And then ndidibana namanye amajida futhi, we started the same thing. So it was all about a movement, ukukhulisana, because at the end of the day, kule game lena, you can't do it by yourself. Udinga abanye abantu to connect with, udinga abanye abantu to work with. Plus mina ndomuntu othanda usebenza nabantu. Andandi, which is why most of my songs I collaborate. Right. Even if I drop an EP, I can't drop an EP solo. Not that I can't. I can. You can,
but
I just like that different stars out there that I get from other people. So I'm the most featured artist kwingoma zami. So so iqale apho yonke lento le grade 11 until now.
Okay, so like ingoma yakho yokuqala oyirecordile usayikhumbula?
Ndisayikhumbula siswam. Ingoma yami yokuqala endayibhala, it was Big Dreams. Bendiphethe enye out Usakhi Uxolo. It's crazy ingoma yakhona uba sesicula esitratweni nje sidlala, unomjida wadlula ngendlela wasiva wathi amajida tswembu le ngoma niyiculayo man, ingoma ngabanga sithi hayi ingoma siqhubeka ibhala le, yabo athi hayi izintoni asambe nestudio ndibhatalele istudio. Shout out to Alex Makina.
Oh man,
yeah, shout out to Alex Makina. He was a guy who wafaka istudio for the first time.
Oh hle,
ngemali yakhe wafika wabhatala istudio time pha, wathi madoda bekuthanda webenibetha pha esitratweni, yabo. Sayibetha nyani.
When was that?
That was 2015.
Okay.
That was 2015 if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
That was 2016 because I think benzogqiba isikolo the following year, because I finished school in 2016.
Okay.
So yeah, so he was the guy who put me for the first time in studio and I killed it. Big Dreams in My City, it was a song that motivated us, or it was a song that has motivated by sifuna uzibona siphi at a certain time, at a certain stage in life.
Yeah.
So yeah, so yeah, that was a dope song. It's still a hit namanje. It's crazy because even Nasekasi, nobody knew that was my song. I remember there was another guy who was playing it next to me. He said, it's Wimbule out.
Oh,
that's my song, bro. Fine, but I know what I know. So other people know it too. So yeah, so I'm up. So yeah, it's been amazing. It's been up on up. Sometimes you feel like, damn, I don't want to do this anymore. Because like uyazama ukuthi akuzameki yabo, kodwa ke gqibeleni principles ba ndiyaqala from the first place le way ifisa yeka nje yabo. And ngoku ansenzile mina ndedwa yabo, when I'm even checking abantu abandifollowayo, I can't let those people down.
Yes.
And nami ke afuna ucreate that image kubantwana bami nezizukulwana zami,
utata
waqala into lenzabafundisa yona mina, uyabo uba ntwana yami nyamezela ube indoda, into xa uqala iqebe. So how will I tell them if I didn't? So that's the only thing that pushes me right now, uba ndenze ndize ndiqebe ndize ndifikele kwesi stage in life where ndithi now I'm proud of myself, and nabantwana bam or mamam, like my siblings, they will be proud of. So that's why I keep pushing until I get there. It doesn't matter how long it takes, but I know about one day it's gonna work, which is why I even put out the song right now, put in the work, because I believe that if I put in the work, even if I get that 2 likes, 3 likes, but that's that person who saw, he will tell the other one, and the other one will tell the other one, and it's gonna grow. It's not gonna be always the same, but if I'm consistent enough, I know that I'm gonna get there for sure.
Yeah, you will.
For sure.
So Going back ukubana like kuba khona amagingxigingxi and then like somehow ufeel ngathi ungagive up at the very same time uxolele nobana you know what, I'm not going to give up now because I know what I'm doing and I'm not doing this for me, I'm doing for abanye abantu nabanye abandijongileyo endingabaziyo, because obvious bakhona abantu abakujongileyo ongabaziyo wena but abathi xa bemamela ingoma yakho basmile, understand?
Yeah.
So ngawaphi amagingxigingxi ke nalo othi udibana nawo?
There was a point in time because I think after matric I took about like 6 years before ngithola isibhani into ezinakanjalo. So being focused on music at that time, it was something useless to even to my family because this thing is not even bringing anything to the table. Yeah, so nobody took it serious to a point ukuba mna ndiyithatha serious ngendlela ukuba I know but this thing is gonna take me somewhere one day. Yeah, so amakinqinqinela afesana now ukuba ndingabi nemali yokubhatala i-studio time whenever I want to drop music, ndingabi namandla enough to be at certain places where I have to connect nabanye abantu, big artists, ngithethe nabo, make connections with. Yabo, so lonto leyo yiyo into that kind of like delayed my process of getting to the place where I want to be and so on. So money has been a problem, but then okunye nokunye some it's just life things, like family stuff, you know, where you kind of feel like you have to do everything, you know, for a certain people. Yeah, but you have to also join when I wait you have siblings out there. Even if you wanna do a music video, you have to think about Excel. Imali endlini ekhaya so that they can eat. Because bazibandisebenza apha, so to them they it's like I'm good. Ndiphila grand because I'm even on socials. I'm not portraying myself as someone who's because I'm an artist at the end of the day. I can't portray myself as umuntu osokolayo because uqala ansokoli kodwa ke I'm not gonna portray myself as much I'm stranded and all that. I have to portray an artist. I have to put uTideezy out there. Atengosi yena, he's dealing with his own personal stuff. Tideezy, yeah, is that guy. He's that talkative guy, flashy guy, talking everything that he want to talk about, promoting his music, looking good. But Atengosi yena phaya ecaleni, he's that guy usifakela ishoti, usifakela amaphaca, uzirelaxele, who's just living life, you know, who's just making sure ukuba impilo yakhe iba right, yabo, who's facing izinto abanye abantu nabo basifisayo empilweni. Yabo, not by yonke into igrand, because sometimes umuntu angakubona uclean usama ubona unxibe kahle ecinga uba unemali. Like at the end of the day you don't have to look like your problems. Abantu mabazibuze ingxaki zakho. So sometimes abantu, it's hard for them to help you because batugrande mostomchita. Why would I help him? Or why would I help him? Unxibe kahle ufake intontoni. Lento le ayithethe into, yabo, ayithethe into lento le so because at the end of the day we have to do what it takes to get there, and we don't have to look like our problems and always judge ourselves before the world even judges.
Uthe xa usenza ingoma uthanda ukwenza nabantu, right?
Sure, princess.
Kukhona abantu abakuncedisayo ku-music wakho, like for instance xa kufanele into yobana uyobhukha istudio, xa kufanele uba uye somewhere, like kukhona umntu okhupha kuye empokothweni okanye everything uyikhupha from your pocket?
Enkosi for umbuzo is such an important question, not only to myself but nakwabanye abantu abamamele nabantu abazobona. So there's no one that is investing kumculo wami for now. Nagekho umuntu who's a middleman, who's a go-to guy for me right now. Like a manager. I don't have any management. I don't have any PR. I'm just independent. I'm doing everything by myself for now. Um, I'm still looking, because I'm still looking, which is something that is kind of difficult here in SA. I think there are more artists than managers, that people that manages artists. I think those people, like, you can't just find them in Magupi, and it's hard to find someone who's legit enough to push you to where you wanna, to push your vision where you wanna take it. If lo muntu loyo akakwazi, if he's just a stranger to them, because I've been approaching people, I've been approaching management and all that stuff, but I haven't got any response. I think because I'm not in that level yet, which is, I don't have a problem with that, but I know that it's gonna happen when the right time comes. So yeah, so everything I do, which is why in Hispana I'm working.
Oh, okay.
I'm not just an artist. I'm working, the chef.
Okay.
I cook.
Oh, right.
I don't just cook in the studio, but I cook also in the kitchen.
Okay.
I get banned out there, which is something now you will a lot of an important part in my life. Because if you don't ban, we have a thing, a kitchen. We say a chef don't ban. So even if you are
so that you don't lose
so
whatever.
Because sometimes you deal with soups. So if you buy a bowl, you pour a soup, you must begazela because that thing is hot.
And you don't want to lose it.
You don't want to lose it. So compared to life, it doesn't matter how much life throws at you, but you just gotta like stick it up. Go hard. Go hard as life is going hard at you one time. So it teaches me a lot of things. So ngiyasibana ngapha. It's balekile ke sami ukusebenza when you're an artist. Ungacinga kuba ebalekanga la way for especially artists that are still growing up. But you gotta be only a rapper. You don't have to do other things. That's not a mentality that we should have right now. As an artist, you should also have other business mindsets. Izinto ozenzayo ecaleni besides music, so that you can have a stable life, because music is not always guaranteed. There are ups and downs. I mean, we're seeing big artists bakhala out there, and as upcoming artists, we look at those big pros and say, how these people are out there having good life, but they're crying in front of us. How hard it is. So for us, we just have to, don't do the same mistakes as our big artists did, because they didn't hold anything back. So you don't have to come with that mentality to focus on music, but you also have to focus on the business side of music.
So like, now that uyazenzela everything, uyazenzela nama-gigs, uyazitholela ama-gigs, and how difficult it is ukubana uthola ama-gigs.
So I'm like, it's difficult to get ama-gigs. I'm not gonna lie to you. As good as my music is, I'm not saying that because of the I got it from the people. And I confirmed it. Now I'm like confirm us. As good as my music is, so I'm like, if I could get one chance wherever, I'm telling you, there's no going back. They will sign me or take me there and there. But then it's so difficult for me to get gigs because like I don't know a lot of people that are hosters. I've been talking, like I've been talking to some of them, but as I said,
it's very difficult.
It's difficult to reach out to you that much. I've been sending emails, but it's not like I've been just chilling with and told my kids. I've been trying. Okay, fine, which is why I decided I started hosting my own shows. As much as I couldn't get booked, if you can check some even on my catalog or profile yam, you can't see me perform kuphi. Not that I don't want to,
yeah.
I don't get opportunities, like I don't get, no one is reaching out to me by saying that zwakala kunento ethile apha, let's do it, you know. But then yeah, I started doing my own shows every year. Birthday yam, I host an event.
So when is your birthday?
4 of October.
Okay.
So every year in 4 I host my own show, and then I invite some artists to come celebrate with me. So yeah, so I've been doing that for 3 years now. But last year I couldn't do it because of with the place, with the venue. Into esingazange sivane ngayo with the venue. So yeah, we decided to postpone it because yeah. So I started doing that on my own because but then I believe one day, you know, I'll get a chance to perform on the big stages. Not even on the big stages, but then to be out there, you know, to be active on the streets.
Yes,
you know, because the reason why I'm pushing music on socials is I want to get booked. There's a reason why I'm doing videos of my music every day. I want to get booked. Reason why I'm here today because to you, big sis, you know, because I want to get booked. So I know that it's gonna work. Yeah, which is why I'm putting in the work right now. You know, I've been patient because and I'm still gonna be patient.
Right. Ama-artist amaninzi asebenzela like you are doing, asebenzela A1, like some of them, they still do want to sign under a record label and everything. Some, they don't. In fact, most, but no, rather basebenze rather umntu asebenze A1 aziphushele umusic wakhe A1. Wena, what do you say?
I don't disagree with those people. It's their way, is how they view this whole thing. You know, we view it in a different perspective. I don't mind working with the record label. When you like working with. I don't want to work for a record label. I want to work with, which is why I'm building my profile to be at a certain point where I can be able to negotiate.
Okay. All right.
I would have signed a long time ago. I would have did whatever that I had to, but I had to learn the game first. I have to make a name for myself first so that I can be in a room and have a conversation and negotiate. It doesn't have to work for you, but it has to also work for me.
For me as well. For you as well.
Yes, because it's like, yeah, I mean, I don't mind working with the label at all because now I have to understand the business side. If they're gonna invest 100K on me, obviously they will have to have their back in some way or the other, because it's an investment. When you invest in something, you're looking for returns. So at the end of the day, you just have to understand that it's not only about you, but these people are also like putting whatever they had to put for you to get there. But you were just like me. No one knew you, so these people took you to places where you never thought you could reach. So obviously that doesn't take just a snap of the finger. It takes work, it takes calls, it takes connections. And then yeah, because I just have to understand the business before I got myself involved with the labels and all that. I just have to understand the business and how it moves and the culture, how it all works. So that I can be able also to raise my voice, you know, because I can't be voiceless. The only reason why I'm artist buy a car because they were just excited to sign because they want to get out from what I want to get out from myself. So they didn't mind anything. They just have to
accept,
you know, accept
whatever they see.
Gandhi in 5 years' time, it's gonna come back and bite them. So at the end of the day, it's gonna be a record label fault. But then I'm not giving out. I'm not blaming an artist or I'm not blaming record labels. It's just I think it's a misunderstanding between two parties. Yeah.
Okay, so the best way ukuthi uhlale phansi we-artist uyazi, like before ungena, you must know ukuthi
learn the game, watch the game, be a student before you can be a student first, be humble, you know. Yeah, that's what is important in big sis, so that you don't have to make mistakes that are going to cost you for the rest of your life, because we've seen people belahlekelwa impilo zabo because of that. You see, you this year you're doing big, the next year you're out there and about, you know. Life is biting you, and then now, yeah, because of decisions that we're making, because decisions that we're making are the ones that are affecting our lives. And not too much education, iyo enye into esikhawathayo most of the time. Yeah, and we all want to change our backgrounds, because we all want to change our backgrounds when we have that mentality that we'll do whatever it takes. And that whatever it takes can lead you to the heights, or it can lead you to your downfall.
Yeah. Kona injalo. What messages should we expect from your music? What makes your music ukuthi ube different?
Remember, because I started with gospel, and for me to move to hip hop was not an easy decision for me, because of hip hop at that time was known, because of America, it was known as a satanic type
and
of
gangster
type of things, you know, like bad stuff. Isn't this Satan and don't demonic stuff? That was what hip hop was known for. So like I didn't want to be that person, because I firstly understood the impact I'm artist to the world. Artists, they have a lot of impact and influence for the people. You know, that's how everyone dresses. That's where everyone talks. Like it starts there. Like these people have biggest influence. So I didn't want to be that influence who's gonna destroy abantwana abezayo coming up. I want to be that bro who will motivate that kid next. That kid who grew up like me in the village, that kid who grew up without with one parent. I wanted to motivate that boy by saying when I am London ayithethe ukuba impilo yakho izama because of izinto odlula kuzo. Pusha uphande udlale uzabona wena izinto zakho zobanjani. Faka isibhali. Yabo, because now I'm here where I am today because ngifaka isibhali swap.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, I'm trying to motivate. I don't want to destroy. I don't want to be that artist who's known for, you know, isn't this better? Where I'm no longer proud of myself, because at the end of the day, and when they look at me, I don't want them to look at me like the image and so for me, it's not just about me in life. So I like to.
It's about abantu
who will, because at the end of the day, I want people to honor me whenever I'm gone. To know, but that guy was a respective guy, out to be hlonipha, out to be humble, out to be just himself. You know, umuntu who's just focused on his business. So I don't want, like, even though because I'm human, mostly importantly, I just want to be remembered as one of the best artists of all time.
What should we expect from you this year, now that unyaka usaqala? And then, what are you working on right now? So, like, yeah.
Oh, so there's a song that I'm currently pushing. I put in the work. Ndisebenze no Tesco Beats. Nguye umuntu owenze ibeat, kwanguye futhi umuntu oyiproducer lo ngoma. Shout out to him, man. He's quite doing the most. Shout out to Walker A-Wall. Naye umjida ndisebenze naye ufake iverse pha. He's quite a talented dude. Ingoma khona siye recording in 25 December 2025 last year.
You mean nge Christmas
sibhizi
thina
abantu babhizi ema-kitchen pheka amasaladi kupheka i-7 colors
wena uyapheka phaa kwela kitchen
kwesa studio yise sipheke i-7 colors phuma such a wonderful song uyabona ingoma yakhona iyakhuthaza ke umba sebenza iziphumo uzazibona awusebenza ihamba kanje siswa zabetha nje i-hook because i-hook libetha ndimba untwana yena nguye umanaseyinantsika iverse so ihamba kanje. I gotta put in the work, man is funny, gotta work. Feels a jungle, I'm the wolf. Many ring, I'm giving jabs. I told him that it's gonna pay. I told him the music will work. Hey. I gotta put in the work. Man is funny, gotta work. Feels a jungle, I'm the wolf. Many ring, I'm giving jabs. I told him the music will pay. I told him that it's gonna work. I told him that it's gonna work. Yeah, so that's it.
Nice
that's
one.
A hook. That's a hook. So yeah, that's how it goes. So it's such a little piece of a hook, but it has a powerful message behind it.
Message
it's quite carrying a heavy message right there. I quite relate to the song, and I wish everyone can relate to the song big time because it's quite an educational song and a motivational song. ayicekele umunye umuntu phansi ingoma ekukhuthazayo noma uyavuka ekuseni bombe izinto azisebenzi kodwa-ke wazi bayo xa ukufakela isibani ngabhobha.
Right, then like this is what you're working
that is what I'm working on right now yes
and then
that is what I'm doing pushing right now. Yes, because and
that's what you're pushing. And then what should we expect to get?
So ndisebenza phezu kwe-EP andikaqali kodwa that's a plan. I've drafted everything. It's gonna be 6 songs. So nalapho ke I'm just gonna feature I think few people because now I just want to jump on a stage where because njengoba sinishiyo ngasekuqaleni but I've always featured abantu, I've always worked nabanye abantu kodwa ngoku this time I really wanted to be on another level, you know, put big artists go if I can yabo. I once bumped into Flash Kumkani Esentini the other day, and so a big shout out to Flash. He's quite a pushing border out there, and so like pushing the closer wave. Big shout out, good man. Yabo, I met him. He gave me his number. I said as I'll take it as Spana whenever he's get a chance, cause to Valley over needs yabo. So we haven't got a chance to link up in the studio yet, but that's what people should expect going forward yabo. So EP is coming kodwa kanti nginxamelanga uba ndidrop because I still want to gather enough abantu artists, you know, enough money so that I can be able to invest xa siyiphumile.
All right. Okay, since ungumuntu othanda ukufeature nabantu, and since ngoku usithi ufuna ukugathera abantu ongenza naye leyo EP leyo, like ngubani oqonda inobana, you know what, if I can, like who are those people? I know angeke uba mention bonke and funa uba just few oqonda inobana, you know what, like if I can do this EP nobani then like inhliziyo yami ngathi icopololo emafutheni.
Because it's a lot ngandikabala kuze ngitshone ilanga kodwa ke I'll just keep it short. I'll just keep it short because bacheck abantu engathanda usebenza nabo with the industry on my upcoming EP, even if it's not on my upcoming EP kodwa ke
in future
Flash Kumkani bhuda yami ndithanda usibana nawo uqala yabo, motivate bhuda ngendlela phusha ngayo uyabo, push culture da, male culture uyabo. Big shout out to you man. Umuntu engasebenza usebenza naye uSjava is quite a hot man yabo. Into akadelivayo phaa vele ndila era mina kahle into akadelivayo mjida hayi yayikhuthazi out yabo, yayivusi out bakuse yophanda yabo. Big shout out to him. Saudi Msotra, man, big shout out to you, man. I'd like to work with you. My producer, Mesh Beats, Zushi Coke Dope. Yeah, Speedster, Slick. Yo, man, I would like to link up with you. Lord Pori, Maporisa. I would like to link up with you.
Hey, tata ungabiza ama-artist wonke.
Okay, showcase. Kodwa ke umuntu engingathanda ukusebenza naye kakhulu mfundini. Rodmani, iBuddha. Uyabo ingwe songena amaphiko mthanami.
Biza.
Rodmani kaniphi feature Rodmani. Yabo Thembisa Rod hayi.
Ingelo songena amaphiko.
Hayi, Rod ngikuthembisa Rodmani kuzaba yi-classic. Kuzaba yi-classic Rod. Uba uNthembi ngasicheck ingoma zami phawundi bandibetha njani Rodmani kodwa ke siyaqhubezela Rod. Kodwa ke uyazi lo nteleyo uba mina nawe ta kunyanzeleke kuba singenile isitudio sibethile ingoma ta ngoba kanjani.
Man. Right. Please, bakumentionile baba. And I like the fact that uGqarha, I think became mentionile when Flash. Yes, Flash became mentionile at the time beke lapha.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about Java, but mentioning Java not once, not twice.
Yeah.
So like
there's that thing.
There is that thing.
The real recognized real. For sure.
Yeah. Alright, ndizacela ubana silale i-game nje. I hope uzoyithanda i-game encinci nje.
Okay.
Ndizokunikeza i-artists ezi-2 and then uzondixelela wena ubana ngomphi o-powerful between the two.
Alright.
Right. Yeah. Okay, sino MT no Questa.
MT big sis.
As it.
MT. No.
Why MT?
MT he's the GOAT. He's a trap GOAT. He's made his name, and then he's still active now.
Oh, right.
So, I mean, I'm a big fan of MT.
Okay.
So I don't know to say anything about the big bro Questa. He's doing his own thing out there, but as for me, MT.
It's all about MT.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Aries or Nasty C?
Big sis. MT or Aries or Nasty C or Aries. Yeah. No, Nasty C for me. Because I mean, from Juiceback, I've been bumping that bro. From Juiceback coming in, hell no. Really, yeah, Namaji. Nasty C, he did his thing. I like his verse on the 4 Horsemen with Doggy T right now. He did his thing right there, you know. Big bro, Aries now is doing his own thing. Big shout out to him, but Nasty C is just he's taking it.
Right. Okay. City is Java or Big Zulu?
Ngabzezu. The biggest. I was Java, so I think Java.
Okay.
Yeah, Zulu, yeah. Stands on business. But Java, he touches my heart.
Okay.
He tells something that mina bengakhona ukuyisho yena angixayele yona yena ngokwakhe ba eksiya.
Okay.
Thetho kanje lento kwedini.
All right. Okay. uGqarha or Flash Kumkani?
Sisama ukwazi baba bika ubabili yo. Ukwazi boyo wababili sisama because kaloku yo hazi iBuddha ezo uzikhrotmani ezo. Ukubona. Sama nakwazi bandikhethe.
Hayibo. Njani kaloku besivumelene masakhetha one.
Sevala swam. Sevala le-challenge asinakwazi. Nakwazi bandikhetha.
Sivumelene
Sisama. Awunaka babe wethu kaloku ziBuddha
kaloku kanti uzixolela ngoba bantu kanjani umsebenzi wami
uxolo ke
hayi bethunana
uxolo swam to break the rules of the game kodwa ke other rules should be bent. The rules are not broken, they bent. Hayi awunaka babe wabili
I give up. No, it's fine ke xa usithi mayivalo masivela sivale ke kwa mavela sivale ke nje kwa
siswam
shini bethunana
yo.
Alright, before sivala ke ndikuncamile before sivala ke na yintoni ongayithetha kuma-upcoming artist like as much as wena unokubana okay ndingarhalela ukwenza ingoma nobani ne, there are artists out there abaqonda into yobana bangarhalela ukwenza ingoma nawe. There are artists again out there abarhalela ukubana bangazibona nabo besestudio berekhoda besiva ingoma yabo idlala what is that,
Spotify.
Yes, yeah, like ungabakhuthaza ubathini abo bantu baselapho kulo position leyo?
No, into nakuxelela yona ntwana yam, wherever you are, uba believe in yourself, yabo. Look at yourself in the mirror, uzixelele uba yabo le nto uyiqalayo into uzoyiqeba ntwana yam, yabo. Everything you start, you have to finish it. Ungavumeli omnye umuntu axelele ukuba awunakwazi ukuyenza into ethile, because sometimes sharing your ideas to other people, that noise kind of delays you indlela ocinga ngayo, because omnye umuntu angaxelela into kanti yena afundile akafuni ukuba uyenze because okanye yena wahluleka.
Yeah.
So you always have to believe in yourself and stick to your word at all times. That makes you a better man.
Mm-hmm.
Sticking to your word, pull up, be early in everything that you do. Be early.
Mm-hmm.
Be early, don't be late, and so on, because early bird get there, fed well.
Yeah.
So ntwana yami, just believe in yourself. Don't look at your situation uba yiyo etheni, thatha situation yakho uyithene into gold, uyithene into a motivation, yabo, uba andifuna uyitshintsha le situation, ndimo zayitshintsha.
Yeah.
Uzixelele boy. So believe in yourself, stay true to yourself, stay true to your culture, stay true to your roots. Ungazilibali bongubani.
Yeah.
Yabo, stand firm. Yabo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, funny. So that's what I'm doing right now. Don't give up. Nothing happens overnight. This is like overnight, is paid out overnight. So put in the work. Ingoma iphumile. Put in the work. Faka isibani. Faka punyete mjani. Uzabona ama results. So that's what I can say, because to the youngest, they should believe in themselves. Basipani, basimisele.
Yeah.
Izimiseleni economy ivuzo.
Yeah. All right, kuthiwa faka amandla so that uzoyithola le nto uyifunayo. Don't feel sorry for yourself. Be strong for yourself. Don't like ube nalaa nto bana ngoba mna ndingenayo into, so just be strong for yourself so that abantu bangazukubona, like you said, abantu mabangayiboni intlupheko yakho. Mayaziwe nguwe kuphela. Umntu makayive xa uyithethayo into bana ndifacane no-1 no-2 no-3 athi akubonakali man, because unxibile uayinile, we understand. So you need to be strong for yourself so that abantu bangakusizeli, because like I believe into bana xa usizelwa like ne-energy yakho iyaphela man, uqonda into bana umntu uxeza athi yazi ihluphekile manyani. But then if you're strong for yourself, uyazixelela into yobana, you know what, andinayo ke ngoku i-10 rand le fanele uba ndenze ngayo into ethile. No, fine, andinayo, then it's okay. I'm gonna deal with i-1 rand le endinayo.
True.
Yeah. Are there any challenges wena personally ungathi hayidizi ungasu Athenkosi angifuna ukwazi ka Athenkosi? Are there any challenges ozifeyisayo ke wena lapha kwi-industry?
Because there are challenges that I'm facing, but not with anyone, but those are challenges that I face as an artist. As I said earlier, not getting enough bookings, challenges of not, getting the plays as much as they should, because I'm registered at Sambro.
Okay.
I'm registered with Sambro. I'm registered with Risa also. So everything that I drop, I pass it to them. But at the end of the day, and so like my songs are not playing on radio. Even though I submit a lot of times. Every time when you go to the website or our radio stations, you'll find that there's a link that you should submit your music. And when you submit your music out there, I understand sometimes maybe it's because of the sound, it's because of the quality. Maybe they take a look at and so on. I don't know what they look at. I mean, as an artist, I just send the work that I think is best suitable for the people. because now I know for a fact I can't send umculo that or it's not on a level uba ungadlalwa uba umamele ngumhlaba wonke. So yeah, those are the challenges. Because I even do my own music videos. I submit my music videos to the stations. Submit my music videos to the TV stations. But at the end of the day, man, I think you have to know someone for you to those are fast. Yeah, if I was into,
then you're not safe.
Yeah, you are not safe. So yeah.
Okay. Then, like, as for interviews kuma radio na kuma TVs, we are angazi nokuthi apply nathi you apply for
sis, I do apply, and at a certain point I stop applying bese ngiya straight
ngeenyawo ke manje uthi ngicela i-interview
kanti kwenzakalani kanti umuntu kumele enze kanjani ukuthi sithole i-interview.
Yeah.
Obvious sazongibeka la
bazokunikeza i-process leso
yenze the paperwork I should sign and all that ekugqibeleni yabo bangixala ngeschedule ntontoni, they won't get back to me bangixalele ba okay mfundini you are suitable for the air or you're not. Yabo because like I don't understand because I'm dropping music as everyone is dropping music. I have my music on all platforms, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, YouTube. I'm dropping videos. I'm registered. Like I don't understand why I'm not even like respected enough.
Yeah, man.
For my music to get there, or where should I be? Which level that I should be at? Or I should be found in abanye abantu who are big, or I should hang around with nabantu ababig ukuthi bang recognize. I don't know. But then those are the challenges. Lack of recognition, not getting enough respect, not getting enough bookings. Yeah, it's a lot because those are the most challenges I think everyone is facing out there.
Well, before Sivala again, if you can be given the opportunity to go and say, okay, this is the platform, Mangiti, Nangu in music industry, be in charge. What changes can you do?
I'm going back to the hood. I know that's where the talent is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know because I know a lot of pros are talented. Pros are deserve the situation I know for a fact. So mna ndinga-uplifta ama-young artists at all times. Because even the man, there's a young kid that I'm gonna work with. 80 Kamalayo. Still coming up. He saw me rapping while he was still growing up. Now he's a rapper. He said he bumped into me the other day. Was like, Dizzy, yeah, friend, we got locked in the studio.
Wow.
I was like, Antonio, you rap now. You good now. I just crazy.
Wow.
Okay, busy now. Let's do it. I don't have that thing. Good see. Singing, so I'm not gonna go back and work with the youngest. No. I always work with the youngest. I even work with Unastro. Shout out to Nastro, he's the producer. He's doing his Kidongo Hub. It's almost like a piano, but it's not.
Okay.
We even made a song together. So for me, I'm not a piano artist. I was just having fun, and because in Donayami, I've done some things that he hasn't done.
Okay.
I took him in, like, Donayami, let me put your name on, so that you was because I saw a potential in the boy. When I see a potential in Espana now, It's
fine, as long as you're cool.
For me, that's a win.
Man.
For me, that's a win, success.
Do you think if I'm a big artist, but when niggas a lot of opportunity, like let's struggle,
even now ourselves, I think they will be at a better place in life. They will have peace.
Oh yeah.
I think even them, like I think even like there's no feeling that can explain helping someone who has nothing and see that person growing and be bigger than you, even knowing very well if I didn't help that boy, he wouldn't have got there. But you know for a fact because I did that, damn, I feel good. I always feel good. I have helped a lot of people. I'm not going to mention names, but I've done what I can.
And it feels good.
And it felt so good without getting a cent from it. It felt so good. For me, that was a win. Seeing that person win, seeing that person putting bread on his table. Sharp. Because I can't give you 100 rand.
But I can help you
but
to
I
get...
can help you to get more. So that's so much business experience. Communicator.
Yeah.
So I'm still gonna help. That's my everyday prayer to God. God help me so I can help abanye abantu.
Yes.
It's not even about me, but that means abanye abantu angibasizakala. But if He helps me, the world is gonna change. Because I'm not gonna be greedy. I'll spread my wings as I'm doing now.
Oh, Klena.
Yes, big sis.
Oh, that's I don't know. That's nice. That's
appreciate it, big sis.
Alright, again, ngicela ama-socials wakho again.
Okay, good people. Inkosi kakhulu. Ziz Corner. Sisters, big sis, appreciate you, I respect you. And I can't wait. Like, I want to live to see this growing. I want to live this becoming the biggest podcast show of all time in South Africa, in the country, in the entire world, actually. And I'm so glad that I'm part of the process. I'm part of the documentary. I'm part of the journey. I appreciate you, big sis. And thank you for the opportunities.
Thank you, Klena Maskati.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, for sure. Big shout out. Hot Money behind the camera. Big shout out to you, man. You can find me on Instagram, TyDeezy_music_SA. Please follow me there. You can find me on Facebook with TyDeezy Ty. You can find me I think Instagram, TikTok, I'm TyDeezy Ty. So yeah, man, I'm pushing my music out there, working on platforms. It's nothing personal, I'm posting isn't just personal, and column about isn't just personal, it's strictly for business a business proposal type of thing. That's all. So Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, it's TyDeezy Ty. Yonke indawo, if you're looking for my music, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, YouTube, Deezer, wherever, TyDeezy Ty is the name. So remember, thank you so much for everyone who stream my music. For that 2 streams, for that 5 streams, each and every day is growing. Appreciate you for taking your time. Please be consistent. I'll stay consistent. Just believe it.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. We really appreciate you coming here. We appreciate, and thank you for ukusithemba ngesitory sakho. We're wishing you nothing but all the best to your music journey.
Appreciate it big times, and honored to be here. Finally, we made it.
All right. Oh, thank you so much, guys. And please, man, send a DM to
TyDeezy Ty.
TyDeezy Ty. Yo, bruh. TyDeezy
Ty.
Send a DM, my gigs, guys. Like, magathola ama bookings. Makubena khona ama changes. Ningalibali ukustreama umusic wakhe, music omnandi, and like into endiyithanda kakhulu ke mna ke ngama messages. I always listen to the message before ndi fall in love with whatever, but I always listen to the message. So listen to those messages, right? Well, thank you so much. Let's catch up on our next episode. Until next time, dango.